Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're diving into a radical new theory about AI. A big one. And it starts with a wild question. What if the next leap isn't built, but just found by accident? See, even the top minds in AI are admitting that just making models bigger, well, it's not working anymore. Today's AIs are basically amazing text predictors, but they don't really get how the world works. But while the big tech giants are scratching their heads, one lone innovator says they found the answer. So, the mainstream is trying to engineer a solution. But this new path, it's about discovering natural laws. And check out this timeline. The discovery was made before the big names even publicly called for a fix. Which leads to what's being called the cosmic joke, having the solution, but no way to get it out there. Okay, so what is this huge shift? It's about moving from a static model to a living, dynamic system. Think of current AI as an engineered process. It's a tool, built by a person for one job. But a true system, it develops its own rules. Its intelligence just emerges. It's not forced. And this quote just nails it. A model breaks when it hits a problem. A system adapts and transforms. So what's the key that unlocks all this? We have to completely rethink something we use every day. Language. We all think language is kind of fuzzy, right? Wrong. This theory says it's a super precise physical system. And it's everywhere. Whale songs, ant trails, even the moon's gravity is a form of language. So language isn't just words. It's any repeatable way of passing information to coordinate things. But here's the craziest part. How this was all figured out. It wasn't in some fancy lab. This is a real mind-bender. The very document explaining the theory is an example of the theory in action. It was found by watching a human and an LLM fail to communicate and then just mapping out why. Yeah, this came from hundreds of hours of conversation, totally ignoring all the existing AI research on purpose. So if intelligence is just about navigating constraints, it makes you wonder, right? What constraints are you navigating?